All right, class piano friends, this first video will deal with the left hand harmonization, and then the second video after this will put them both together. So have your pencil handy. You're going to want to write in the harmonization that you choose, that I'll give you unless you want to change it, starting in measure 1. But before you do that, make sure you take these simple but really important steps. Find your harmonization position. It's going to be A minor. The harmonization is in A minor. Play your 1 chord, and now play your 4, 1, 5, 7, 1. So 1 chord, here's your primary triad 4. Notice my fingering, pinky, second finger, thumb. Now we're going to go back to 1. Now we're going to go to the 5, 6, 5, which should really be familiar. We have a G sharp in there. We're not going to play the B, which is the 5th of the triad, and we have a major second between these upper 2 notes. So that's a tritone, major second, 1. Do that at least 10 times right now. Make sure the fingering is the same. Stop the video until you have that by heart again, okay? It should be familiar. After you do that, end on the A, and we're going to go to the secondary dominant that they asked for, the 5, 7 of 3. Well, the 3 chord in A minor is C major, C, E, G. Well, we notice that the common tone is C and E from 1 and 3. There's only one note we're going to change. Watch how I'm going to change that note. Now I have a C major triad. So do that a couple of times. Here's the 1 chord, and here's the 3 chord in second inversion. Again, watch, listen. So I would suggest you play the 3 chord when we get to it in that inversion. It'll sound perfectly fine when you get it all together. You could go to root position, but I wouldn't. I mean, it's harder, so don't worry about it. Now, we're going to add one more chord to this, and then you'll be good to go. The dominant of C is G7. Well, the 5 of 3 is G7. So we're going to play the 5 of this C chord. It's G, pinky note, 5th finger, B, D, F. Play that chord a bunch of times. Notice the fingering, 5, 3, not the 4th finger, 2, 1. That 5 of 3 wants to resolve to the 3 chord, which is C major. Listen and watch. That tritone. Do that a bunch of times. Now we're going to put that whole progression together, and then you'll have all the chords that you need. 1 chord, 4 chord, 1 chord, 5, 6, 5, or 5, 7, first inversion, 1 chord, 5, 7 of 3, resolving to 3, tritone goes in. Again, 5, 7 of 3, 3. Stop that and practice that.